peeked around the corner and I'm going to be making some earrings for the occasion. So I'm going to start with a Made with Love charm, a jump ring, 2 number 11 seed beads, 1 heart bead, a screwback ear wire, and it's all going to get slid onto an eye pin. So I'm going to start with my eye pin. I'm going to slide on seed bead, and then the heart, the other seed bead, and I'm going to gently fold that over and clip off the excess right about there, and take my round nose pliers and turn it up and then grab again and then wrap till I have a nice loop. And then I'm going to take my jump ring, open it up with my chain nose by sliding it side to side. I'm going to slip on my charm and slide it onto the eye pin and gently close it together. And then I'm just going to open this loop up just like that and slide on my earring. And there you have it, a pair of Valentine's Day earrings. To find this design and others, visit us at firemountaingems.com.